Hello, good morning. My name is Wilvin. Let me close this window. So as I was saying, I'm sorry. There is so much noise like around my house, so I didn't expect that. So as I was saying, my name is Wilvin Marte. Um, and what I'll do is that I will tell you some of the things I have learned throughout all this time that I have been studying IT or computer science at ITLA. There are too many stuff that I can talk about, um, but I think that a better idea would be tell you like some information that will not be um, classified, I can say. So let's begin. For example, do you know what's a variable? Maybe you do, maybe you don't, but I'll tell you anyways. A variable, it's we can say that it's a container that stores a like any kind of data. Okay, awesome. For example, we can take, let's see, this cup, it's the variable, right? If I take this thing and I put it inside the cup, I got information, which is this thing inside the variable. Okay, so once we've got information in the variable, we can use it and manipulate it in a more useful way. Okay, also these variables has to have a data type. Every single variable belongs to a data type. So you would be wondering, what's a data type? What's that thing? Okay, so a data type, it's like the information that variable can support, can store. I'll make an example. For example, let's say that the variable I told you like some seconds ago, it's a int variable, an integer, you know. In Spanish it's called entero. In English, integer. You can like write it just putting or writing int, you know. And as its name says, the only thing we can store inside this variable, it's integer numbers, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., etc., etc. I cannot take 2.0. I mean, yeah, I can do it, but I cannot take 2.1 and store it inside an integer variable. Why? I mean, why can't I do that? Well, the program you're using for programming will tell you, hey, you know what, you cannot do that, so I will not compile the code. So you will have to fix that mistake. So as well as the integer data type, there are more data types, such as doubles, that allows you to store like numbers decimal numbers, but in a like long 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 decimal numbers. Also, we've got forgot it, I'm sorry, string. String is for text, you know. I mean, in order to make that string data type useful, you have to use I don't know how that's called, this thing, you know, like this thing, you know. You have to enclose the text you want to store in that string variable inside these things, you know, like this, and that way it'll work. We've got char that works the same way as string, but the only difference is that instead of you know, instead of store a text, it will store only one character, and instead of use these things, you will use these things, you know, the ones that only have one claw instead of the two ones. Okay, what else I can tell you? I mean, actually, I think you have already noticed that I can like support or maintain a conversation, you know. So that's what I think that's what matters to me. And I have already told you some of the things that I have learned. I have learned some other things, but right now they do not come up of my mind. But I'll try to tell you one more thing. What I can tell you. What else? I don't remember I don't know what to say. Something fast. Okay, I'll tell you some of the things. I mean, I don't know, dude. Damn. What I can tell you. I think that's about it. I'm sorry, teacher. I don't know what else to say. So that was me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time or around. Peace out.